Okay. This is what we're going to be reviewing today. The XL backing plate by Detailed Division and Shine Supply. I bought this off Shine Supply. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about here. This thing, you see this backing plate? This is not what you get on a factory or from the manufacturer Rupes. This is made by Detailed Division. I bought this one on Shine Supply. Shout out Shine Supply, shout out Detailed Division. I've used this on a few jobs. I just got it and I really like it, and I wanted to make a video about it because I like it so much. I think that if you're going to get a backing plate or invest in a backing plate, this would be one to look at. I don't even know, like, I just rocked the factory backing plate up until I bought this one, so I wasn't even in the market for one. I just knew this one was made and a lot of good reviews, good things said about it. So I'm making a video about it now to let you guys know if you're looking into it, kind of like how I was looking into it for a little bit before I actually bought it. So hopefully this helps you decide to buy one. Because if you don't already have one, you should have one. I already made this video, but the audio didn't pick up very well, so I'm making it again.
Okay, cool. Sounds like playing to me.
So.
Did I correct with you?
Yeah.
Or did I get away?
No, you go ahead.
I was thinking if
this is your car. This is his car. So.
We'll just do a little experimenting. Well, you got your thing.
You want to do 50-50?
Thinking about it, because I want to try that that one silica-based sealant versus like colonite.
Clutch versus colonite?
Yeah, no, the other one we like.
Oh, wax shine.
Wax and shine, yeah.
Spray on. I love that stuff.
I'm really happy with that. Pretty sure it's still on here.
Yeah, you can see like spray on. You can kind of see
yeah,
streaking.
you can still feel it on there.
You see like there's like streaks.
But it's great for the winter time, you know.
It's
like
really
you could just.
I applied it yesterday in the rain.
I did mine too. I feel like we can put that on like.
All right. XL backing plate. Here we go. I'm gonna just let it run and then tell you guys if I like it or not. I already know I like it. I'm just gonna tell you guys why I like it after I get done. Go right there. On the front, yeah, the camera's not facing right there. plate is so nice.
You know what?
The XL backing plate's so nice.
Is it? It sounds so much better than mine.
It just it doesn't stall out, you know?
Yeah.
Like, that's the crazy thing is that I was hitting this line right here, this body line, and I was going over this curve and then down over the front of the hood, and I couldn't stall it out, even as hard as I tried, hard as I pushed, I couldn't stall it out, which is something. And granted, I'm on a flat surface, so it's a little bit harder if you're sitting level, but you know, the backing plate that was on before that came with the Rupes, it just stalled out so easy.
So what's the difference you think? Is it the holes in the backing plate, or
I think it's just
the
more
design?
efficient.
Yeah.
I mean,
Definitely
first off,
better material.
yeah, because that's aluminum,
Yeah.
and this is, I'm not sure
What kind of plastic composite with, is it like squishy, like malleable, or?
super hard.
Yeah. I mean, that's probably what gives it like that more aggressive cut too, and that really more control.
Yeah, it doesn't give out on the edges like how the other one would.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good
it'll
point.
hit the rubber and slow it down, or
Yeah.
make it softer. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's a good point. That this one doesn't, when stock, doesn't give out so easy. It just kind of forces its way through, and that energy gets transferred down to the paint. And you don't, I don't think you lose as much energy in this plate as you would in the plate that comes on the Rupes straight from the factory. But I do want to try foam on this.
Yeah.
So yeah, throw some foam on this and see how it
Foam
goes.
pad?
Yeah, I got one right here.
Right, yeah.
Plastic cut.
It's probably going to pull you in more directions, you know?
It does. Yeah, it does. You mean like kind of like sideways?
Yeah, because it's padded, so it's going to grab those edges and slow down and speed up and stall out more, I think. We'll see. Well, that's a nice first pad, though.
Yeah. Definitely does grab and pull it.
You can feel it a little bit more.
you should buy an XL backing plate. For sure. If you're considering it, just do it. Chances are very low you're going to regret that decision. And the reason I say that is because when you get the polisher and you have the Rupes, you're so used to the way that it performs just the way it's set up in the factory with the backing plate from the factory and whatnot. And when you put the XL backing plate on it, you really get more out of the machine than you would get with the plate they put on it. Honestly, I don't know why they don't just come with the XL backing plate to begin with. I think that Rupes makes an amazing machine. I've had the Deschutes polishers, I've had all those polishers. I like them, I really do. I had a Deschutes for a long time and used that every paint correction job I was on. But the Rupes is my new toy and I really like it, and I think that I just don't think you get what you can get out of it with the backing plate that comes on it from the factory. I think that the XL backing plate gives you more bite into the paint if you're cutting, and it gives you more flow if you're polishing. I think that the backing plate that comes on the polisher, when it comes straight from the factory, it stalls out too easy, and what I'm seeing now is the foam edging on the aluminum backing plate that it comes with. I think that lets you stall out, but if you're new to polishing, or if you're new to paint correction, new to using a polisher, I think the XL may be more challenging for you than would the factory plate, and the factory plate does provide really good results too. I mean, phenomenal results. You don't need the backing plate, the XL backing plate, to be good at paint correction. You don't need it at all, ever, but it will make your job easier. It'll make you stall out less. It'll transfer energy from the polisher to the paint better, and overall, I don't think that you'll be regretting the decision to buy one. I think that you'll really enjoy it. So, and it looks good. But that's my review on the XL backing plate. Thanks for watching, you guys.